Understanding spring onion, an essential ingredient in cooking and language. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common yet intriguing phrase in the English language: spring onion. Not only is it a widely used ingredient in various cuisines, but it's also a fascinating term in the English language. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or an English language learner, understanding this phrase is essential. So, let's dive into the world of spring onions. A spring onion, also known as scallion or green onion in some regions, is a type of onion harvested young. They have a long, thin white base that has not fully developed into a bulb and long green stalks that are edible. These onions are milder than regular onions, making them a popular choice in salads, soups, and Asian dishes. Their taste is a mix of a regular onion and garlic, offering a unique flavor profile to dishes. The term, spring onion, has an interesting origin. It is believed to have gotten its name because it's typically harvested in the spring season. However, they can be grown and harvested year-round in some climates. In cooking, spring onions are versatile. They can be eaten raw, added to salads for a crisp texture, or cooked to add a mild onion flavor to a variety of dishes without overpowering them. In different parts of the English-speaking world, spring onions are known by various names. In the United States, they are often called scallions or green onions, while in the UK, they are typically referred to as spring onions. It's important for English learners to recognize these variations to understand recipes and cooking instructions from different English-speaking countries. Besides their culinary uses, spring onions are also known for their nutritional benefits. They are low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. Spring onions contain vitamin C, vitamin B2, and thiamine. They also have carotenes, which are good for your eyes, and they're a source of dietary fiber. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable, helping you understand the meaning and usage of spring onion in both culinary and linguistic contexts. Whether you're cooking a delicious meal or expanding your English vocabulary, remembering this versatile and tasty ingredient is beneficial. Happy cooking and learning, and see you in the next video.